How to download and sign up Poshmark. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can download and sign up on Poshmark, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now normally if you want to download, you can simply open up your Play Store or your App Store and then just search for the Poshmark application. But the problem is that this application might not be available in all regions, but if you want to use it, you can still use the browser. So open up your browser and go to poshmark.com, and to create an account you're going to see this type of interface, as you can basically find it over here. Now what you want to do is, if you look at the very top right hand side, you'll find an option called sign up. You just want to make sure to tap the little sign up button there, and then over here you'll find all these options where you can choose to create an account with your first name, the last name, the email address, the username or the password, and gender and the country, and then just hit the sign up button from the bottom of the screen and your account will get created. Or you can choose to create an account with your Google account, your Apple ID or your Facebook account. Now if you already do have an account, then you can just select the login button from the top right hand side. You can select your credentials and then log in using a Google or whatever else you basically prefer. This way you can download and sign up Poshmark. Hope this video was helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.